Yippee! You got 500 people registered for your challenge, or 1,000, whatever your target number is. But wait, how do you actually make sure they're going to show up live? What do you do? Well, you could bombard them with loads and loads of emails, and then you could send them loads and loads of text messages, then you could send them loads of Facebook Messenger messages. But what else? My name's Polly and I'm a challenge funnel strategist, and I'm going to share with you a little secret to make sure people show up live for your challenge. Let's dive in. Now, if you don't know me, you most probably don't know that I spent a good 10 years working with global mass participation sporting events. Now, we used to design and manufacture those giant, massive inflatables that you see at races. And we made them for the likes of Ironman, massive worldwide brand, the official colour run, massive worldwide brand, cancer research behind the Race for Life, and lots and lots and lots of other races and triathlons. Now, what I want to share with you today is things that we can learn from these massive brands and how we can leverage it and use their tactics to increase the show up rate for your live challenge. Now, I've taken part in many, many races, and what do they all have in common? Well, you get some sort of trophy for competing, and completing a race. You get a medal, like this one. Or you get a t-shirt. Like all of these t-shirts are from the races that I've completed. Now, I've been a participant in many, many races. I started entering races back in 2015 when I thought it would help me understand my customers if I entered their races. But what happened was I soon got pretty hooked on races. So I've done loads of 5Ks, 10Ks, then I started doing triathlons, and then I did London Marathon back in 2017. And this is what my medal rack looks like. Pretty impressive, eh? And this, as I just showed you, is my collection of race t-shirts. Now, the biggest mass participation events, they all build anticipation prior to the event. Now, they do this in various ways. Now, if you've ever signed up for a race, you know how exorbitant race entry fees are. They're really, really expensive. It's a very expensive hobby. Now, I bet you're thinking, come on, Polly, where's this going? Well, so again, when you sign up to a race, now the bigger races, the smart organisers, what they do is they offer you an upsell at the checkout. Like branded t-shirts like this and loads of other stuff. So how does this relate to live challenges, you're asking? Well, okay, so way back when I did the One Funnel Away challenge, got my t-shirt on today to show you, with Russell Brunson. It's a paid challenge, and if you complete it, you upload a video and you get a free t-shirt just like this one. Also, when you join that challenge, they offer you a physical challenge box and they send it to you in the post. But what I'm sharing with you is flipping that around, just like races do. When people sign up for your free challenge, you offer them an upsell. Now, that upsell is a branded swag box. Now, everybody loves getting stuff in the post. So what you do is you create your own swag box, all branded with your challenge, your logos, so you can put stuff in like a t-shirt, a workbook, selfie sticks, stickers, and depending what your niche is, something related to what you do or what your challenge is about. Now, you want to make it around £30 or £40, not too expensive, but it needs to be good. Make them really want it. Make them feel like they really want to be part of your gang if they have this swag box. Now, if you think back to when you were in school, you always wanted to be part of the in crew, the popular gang. Now, just because we're grown-ups now, it doesn't mean we still don't want to be part of something, part of a gang. And that is what your challenge is about. Now, if you can make sure you profit on your swag box as well, then that's a bonus. If you can make sure you get between £5 and £10, this will self-liquidate any ad spend that you spent on getting that sign up. Self-liquidate? Don't worry about it. We will go into that in another video. So, how does this make more people want to show up to your challenge, eh? Is that what you're asking me? Well, they are now invested in your gang. They are now super, super excited to be part of your gang. Okay, so what does everyone do who enters a race, completes the race, and gets a medal? They take a selfie! Woo! Selfie! Post it on their socials. So, when your swag box arrives, what are they going to do? Bingo! You got it. They're going to put that t-shirt on and they're going to take a selfie. Bing! T-shirt. Post it in your group because they are super, super excited. Super excited to be part of your gang. Boom! Hole in one. You just made that person feel wanted. Feel like they're part of something. Part of a gang. Are they going to show up for your challenge? 100% they're going to show up for your challenge. So there you have it. How to make sure, guaranteed, your show up rate for your challenge. Swag boxes. Now, don't forget, if you liked this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel where I will be sharing more challenge funnel tips and tricks. Catch you later.